Hey guys, so if you want to see how I did these lovely Senegalese twists, stay tuned. Say stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so today I want to show you guys my first attempt at Senegalese twist, but I don't know how to braid in. I don't know how to do the rubber band method. So one method that I saw is you take your hair, you braid it a little bit, and then you twist it in. So far, this is what I have done. It's pretty long hair. That's it. I think it's 12 inches. I don't know how long, but this is the back. This cost me $7. I got it in two colors, dark or black, and then very light brown or light brown, but it's like a slightly different. This is what it's looking like so far. As you guys can see, I'm not done. This is the back. I'm not a good parter, so I'm just finger parting. But yeah, I want to show you guys my first attempt at Senegalese twist. People say it's so easy, so I want to give this easiness a try. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my hair, just finger parting it, and I'm putting the rest out the way. My hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned, and so I'm just taking it and braiding it some of the way. So just a regular braid. You guys can see. Just a regular braid. I don't braid all the way down. So I leave it like that. So it's like a braid up to here. Get my hair, this is what it's looking like. So I already twisted, it already has the loop. So what I'm doing is I'm taking it apart. Taking it apart. Getting my hook. So what I'm doing is putting the hook in open. Just like that, right in the middle. Getting my hair right where the fake hair, right where it hooks. Hooking it on the hook. You guys can see. Make sure it's open. Hook that part on the hook. Close the hook. Do it this way. You guys can see it better. Make sure your hair is not on there. So you take it. Make sure the hook is open. Put the hair on the hook. Close the hook. And then slide it through your hair. And then you just take it off the hook. And then so what you do next is you take your hair, the fake hair, together, you hold them together, and put it through the loop. Like that. And then you take the fake hair and you just pull it tight. And this is what I do. Here. And so you just pull it tight. And what I do differently is I take these two, the fake hair, and I braid it with my hair. Just a little bit of the ways. And then I take my hair again and then split it. So my hair would have been done much sooner because it is 1:30 in the morning. But right when I was starting, around 7:30, I had to take Amelia to the doctor, to the hospital actually. She got and I just twist all the way down. She got a sweet potato stuck in her nose, all the way up her nose. And we tried to get it out for a while, and then it just got further and further. She was crying and screaming, and so we had to call 911 to get the sweet potato out of her nose. So that took up some time out of doing my hair because now I have to rehydrate it because it's dry. And so I'm hoping this style lasts for about a month. That's my hope. But everyone's saying Senegalese twist or passion twist. I don't know what's the difference between those two. But they only last for about a week or two. So, but I may want to take them out by then. So far it's not heavy at all, so I'm just twisting it all the way down. all the way down. I'm doing semi-tight twists because it's just going to unravel anyways. So I'm going all the way down. All the way down. And when I get to the end, like that, I'm going to take it, twirl it around, then take it out, rub it together like that, and then let it go. And that's what it's looking like. So I am going to just finish this up, and I'll talk to you guys when it's all said and done. For my edges, I'm using some edge control, just a tad. Hook it through my hair. close the hook, take it off, loop my hair and the fake hair together, and just pull it tight. And now I'm just gonna braid it some of the ways. Braiding semi-tight, and then I take it, split the hairs, take the two synthetic ones apart, and then just twist it down. Twist it all the way down, and then rub it together. Done. See if I can make that go there. So, this is what it's looking like. It's the back. This one though won't go on my side. So maybe go like that. And it's all done. First time doing these. I think it's my favorite side though. I think they turned out great. It is 2:51, so I finished before 3 o'clock. And it took me about 4 to 5 hours to finish. I used maybe about 3 packs of hair for all of this. They're not that small. But I think I'm going to lay with it back so that way I can train it, because right now it's going this way. So I'm going to sleep with it all back so that way it trains to go any direction that I want it to. But so far I think it turned out very good. So I guess one thing I could do next time is braid it the way I want it to go, because I want it to go this way. So next time I'll braid it that way. But all in all, if you guys want to see my failed one, it's at the bottom. But this one, I say it's a good job. It's not heavy. I don't think it's too much hair. I don't know, maybe, I don't know how many twists I actually did, but it's pretty long. And I want to dip the ends tomorrow in some hot water so that way it can seal better. There's this technique I tried down here. It's more frizzy. See, it's more frizzy because I took the twist and I separated it first, and then I twisted it in, which came more frizzy results than if I just did it one part. So this one probably got to be done over. This was my trial one. It's in the back. But overall, I think I did great. So with that, guys, if you have any questions, I got this hair is Sally's, but there's some whole bunch more that you can get on Amazon, so I can leave a link down below, the ones that's similar to this one. And I want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you like more of these videos, and tell me what you think. Did I do a good job? Is there anything you guys would have done differently? Overall, I think I did amazing. So with that, guys, I'll see you guys later. It's time for me to go to sleep because you never know when you're really gonna wake up. So, mommy life. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.